The low lunge to down dog stretch is an excellent beginner pose to help open up tight hips. To get started, come down on all fours and get into tabletop position by balancing on your hands and knees. Place your right foot between your hands, then place your hands on your right thigh and untuck your toes and press the top of your foot into the floor. This ensures your knee is not taking on too much pressure. While in this posture, it's very critical to connect with your breath. Inhale to find length, then as you exhale deeper into the pose by lowering your hips and let them sink down. Once you feel the intensity of the stretch, don't go any further. As you feel the stretch, you can keep your hands on your thighs or you can place your hands on a yoga block or on the floor inside your legs. Hold this pose as you breathe through the releasing of the tightness. Next, step back into a downward facing dog and hold for a few seconds. This is a quick way to release. Next, repeat with the same movement with the other leg. Hold, then step back into downward facing dog to release it. Make sure you subscribe for more Live Lean exercise demos.